point where I get spine. I specialize in 211s and 459s. Mama know I got a problem, I'm obsessed with weapons. I was taking mugshots.
YouTube, what it do? It's your boy Armati back at it again with the latest videos on YouTube.
Business out here too,
We got Jen Dog in the building, man. We in the airport right now.
Real talk,
You feel
man.
me?
No too childish, man.
Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? We're island kings, you heard me? We finna be on the beach type shit, going crazy, doing hella YouTube videos. So I really want y'all to constantly click that subscribe button. If you got to, hit that bitch until your finger breaks. Cause that's how crazy we going today. Oh God. Man, you know what I'm saying, man. I gotta show y'all the fit though for Miami. Okay, so we got the Jordans on type shit, right? Then we got this matching outfit. We bought this bitch from Shein. I ain't gonna lie. Then we got the bucket hat. Then we got this fire ass tattoo right here.
Oh shit, that tattoo, bruh.
Whew.
Ah, that shit looking saucy though,
Oh
bruh.
God, I ain't gonna lie, he gave me a good deal, man. You know what I'm saying? I've been buying shit at the airport. What can I say? These flights is too long, so I gotta go extra crazy for y'all. But when we get to Miami, or when we get on this plane, matter of fact, that's when I'm gonna re-record, right? And it's gonna be lit. So y'all tell me what I should talk about on this plane ride, you know what I'm saying? I could really just show y'all what it's like taking off on a plane type shit from start to finish. Boom. We already been on the plane like 7 hours already. So, you know what I'm saying? We got a 3-hour overlay. We gonna hop back on the plane at 5 o'clock, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, just be waiting for that. Boom. Yeah, YouTube, we back at it again. You know what I'm saying, man? Miami trip, turning up all fucking week, and I don't give a fuck. And I'm popping out to the strip club. Fuck with me, alright? But you see the plane, man. You know, we got the Boeing 800 type shit, right? I'm looking real daddy-ish right now, too. So, definitely take notes. You feel me? You want your girl snatched. You're not getting her back when she come to me. Come on now. You know this, man. You know this, man. Like I said, I'm about to act up. Strip club hours tonight. You know what I'm saying? The freaks come out at night. The freaks come out at night. Okay, you know what I'm saying? Well, fuck with the kid. We about to turn up. Oh, we hope y'all love my adventure, man, because y'all can go on these adventures too. Just hustle and grind. Your whole motherfucking life, you can do anything you motherfucking want. I got a car that I want. I don't want that car. Come give me a different car. You know what I'm saying? I want a challenge or something like that. But you know, I'm working for that, bro. Like, you know, you gotta work hard for your goals. Stop playing. Oh God, like what? You know what I'm saying? You see the two question and ha ha ha. But you know what I'm saying? I dropped a bag on these bitches, man. Jewelry, we love it. We love to see the glistening in your teeth type shit. Yeah. What up, YouTube? What it do? It's your boy Armati back at it again with the latest videos on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? We still vlogging our Miami trips. You know what I'm saying? And I met a new friend on the plane. Crazy part is she's been on the plane the same time as I since 6 something in the morning, bro. We all tired as fuck, and we're not gonna be able to get there till 8:30. And out of nowhere, it starts raining. Like, are you fucking kidding me? We're in Texas, Houston at that. Why you raining, bro? It's supposed to be hot. I hate it. But I'm trying to turn up, man. I don't give a fuck about this weather, man. I'm about to walk outside. If I gotta walk outside naked, I will do it. That's just how bad I want to have fun in Miami. Oh my mama. You know what I'm saying, man? But yeah.
Let me talk.
Huh?
Let me talk.
What you want to say, man? Mom says hi, everybody.
Hi.
Jen Dog says hi too.
Hi.
TT. Blackie. Oh, see. I know this girl did not just duck down. You know what I'm saying? friends are gonna be so fucking jealous. I got hella friends. Ooh. They not ready for this weather though. I ain't gonna lie. Oh shit! Come on, TJ, let's go fly a kite in the rain. See if we get electrocuted like ice and doing. Bro, I like this type of weather. I like it, but I don't. Because when I want to do something, I'm like, damn, better not ruin it. Alright, which one? We gotta set a specific hood. We going to the hood. We in Miami, YouTube. You know what I'm saying, man. We just now finna land type shit. You feel me? And we gonna get this whole reaction. Look how beautiful this city looking, man. Like,
Ooh, we in the top of the line.
that shit look young. Ooh, hold on. That shit I ain't seen up here. That's sick. Y'all enjoy that view with me, man, when we descending. That shit look good. Yeah, the freaks come out at night around here, guys.
This boy is something else. I can't with him.
Come on, recruit. I want to see them hit the ground. We're touching down, guys. You know what I'm saying? There ain't no games being played. We officially here. Oh, God. Y'all see how the plane does it? Whoa. Yeah, we, hold on, let me turn the light on. Where the light at? Yo, we ain't in Miami, man. Stop playing, man.